Smithville, Texas, a unique little village that we had an opportunity to explore. Texas refers to Smithville as a city. However, the population is just shy of 4,000 residents. It is located in Bastrop County, and it is near the Colorado River. It was established in 1827 with the building of its first house and first store, which served the incoming settlers and the friendly local Indians. If you think you have seen this town on the big screen or even on your TV, you may be right. In 1998, Hope Floats, starring Sandra Bullock and Harry Connick Jr., was set right here in Smithville. Also, The Tree of Life with Brad Pitt, Sean Penn, and Jessica Christian was filmed right here. Plus many other movies, as well as several commercials and notable videos. The Royal Tomato Market is on Main Street, and it carries pantry specialties from around the world and local Texas businesses. The Smithville Times made its home on the second floor of this building in 1897. The main floor occupied a local blacksmith shop as well as a grocery and general store. This three-story brick building was built in 1907 for the furniture store of Rabb and McCullum, which was on the first floor, and their undertaking business, which was on the second floor. The post office on Main Street has an oil-on-canvas mural hanging in its halls called the Law Texas Rangers, painted by Minette Techmerler in 1939. The TB&H steamed through Smithville in 1887. However, in 1894, the MK&T established central stops in Smithville, giving rise to growth, which resulted in becoming the largest town in Bastrop County for the near 50 years. In 1895, this thriving town was officially incorporated into what is now known the city of Smithville. Through the National Endowment for the Arts, you will find amazing creations throughout the entire village, like these murals here of notable people of Smithville. We could not pass up taking photos of these vintage automobiles, especially the Mustang and the El Camino. Residents are encouraged to share their personalities with their creativity. Just check out this El Camino. Isn't it wonderful? You'll find many historical homes in Smithville, like the Hill House, originally built overlooking the Colorado River in 1848, then moved to its present location in 1880 by the locals on a barge in 2 pieces. With the help of the entire community, mosaic artist Stephanie DeStefano creates these beautiful works of art that you will find throughout the town. We were amazed when we turned the corner and saw this breathtaking building completely covered in a creation of mosaics. This is the House of Ruth. Created in 2018, the House of Ruth is a temporary and safe housing facility for women who are waiting for more permanent housing in the Smithville area. The mission is to provide physical, mental, and spiritual support for individuals who are or have been in a homeless situation. The goals are to provide a faith-based hope and healing for every person. The Comfort Cafe offers delicious meals for a donation of $10. A division of Serenity Star that provides a sober, safe, and spiritual environment for individuals and families who are recovering from addiction. 100% of the proceeds from Comfort Cafe goes directly to their programs. Love is the secret sauce to Serenity Star, a spiritual, not religious community of addicts devoted to finding their personal path and discovering their purpose through recovery. They are committed to healing mind, body, and spirit of their authentic person. Recovery is put back into each person's hands, and they are responsible for their own growth and healing. The founders and staff of former clients all continue to work their programs while making their homes here in Smithville, Texas. Smitty, the Gingerbread Man, stands as a reminder of Smithville's Guinness World Record for baking the largest gingerbread man in 2006.